Hi there. Creating a brand for your teeth whitening business is a crucial step to making it successful. A strong brand can help you stand out from the competition, establish trust with customers, and ultimately drive sales. I will guide you through the process of creating a brand for your teeth whitening business. Step 1. The first step to creating a brand for your teeth whitening business is to conduct market research. You want to understand your target audience and the needs and wants of your customers. You also want to identify your competitors and what makes their brand unique. This research will help you determine the unique selling proposition (USP) of your brand. Step 2. Once you have conducted your research, you can create a brand message that defines who you are and what you offer. Your brand message should be short, memorable, and clearly communicate the benefits of your teeth whitening products. This message will become the foundation of all your marketing materials. Step 3. A logo is the visual representation of your brand. It should be simple, memorable, and recognizable. You can work with a professional graphic designer to create a logo that embodies your brand message and appeals to your target audience. Step 4. Your brand colors and fonts should also reflect your brand message and appeal to your target audience. Choose colors and fonts that are consistent with your brand message and that you can use consistently across all marketing materials. Step 5. Your website is often the first interaction a customer has with your brand. It should be professional, user-friendly, and clearly communicate your brand message. Your website should also make it easy for customers to purchase your teeth whitening products. Step 6. Now that you have established your brand, you can create marketing materials to promote your teeth whitening business. This can include business cards, flyers, brochures, and social media posts. These materials should be consistent with your brand message and visually appealing. Creating a brand for your teeth whitening business is an important step to establishing trust with your customers and driving sales. By conducting research, creating a brand message, designing a logo, selecting brand colors and fonts, building a website, and creating marketing materials, you can build a strong brand that sets your business apart from the competition. Good luck!